Good morning.
Good morning.
We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree?
Yes.
You are knowing what you are wanting.
Yes.
It moves about quite a bit these days, doesn't it? Are you discovering in every day new clarity? It's the way you planned it. You knew it would be that way. You knew you were coming forth into the leading edge time-space reality. Time-space reality, what's that about? Why would you, as non-physical energy, want to focus a part of you here? What's the value of it? Coming into an environment where there is perception of time and space helps you to focus, doesn't it? In the same way that as we are here together today, we will focus upon topics that people bring forward. A group of people all simultaneously considering a same or similar idea. And with more thinking upon it, that idea will develop further and faster. What's the point of that? Do ideas need to be developed? Is there an idea development shortage out there in the universe, and you're the group that's been assigned to the development of these ideas? And if that's true, then who's holding the standard to the ideas? It's not any of that. You don't come forth to help with the expansion of ideas because ideas need to be expanded upon. You come forth to do it for the thrill of the new discovery. The thrill of the discovery as the new idea occurs to you, and the thrill of the discovery as you are able to feel through your emotions the vibrational variance between the new idea and most of the other ideas that you hold. In other words, a new and expanded idea, desire, perspective, intention. Those new ideas are different than the normal ideas you've been thinking. They vibrate differently. You're not used to them. They call you because they are different, and we are all called forward always. But once a new idea is hatched, because of your involvement in life, you're not automatically up to speed with the new hatching. In fact, your beliefs are usually far from the new idea. You have to practice the new idea until you're up to speed with it. And until you practice it, it isn't your point of attraction. Law of attraction is responding to you all day, every day. And you have, even without knowing it, a vibrational set point from which you are broadcasting. In other words, you can't turn your broadcasting mechanism off, and law of attraction never stops responding to the broadcast that you're offering. It's matching you up with things that match your vibrational offering all day, every day. So as you are offering your broadcast, vibrationally transmitting it to the boundaryless boundaries of this universe, as you are offering this vibration, law of attraction is matching you up. And often, as humans, you don't even realize you were broadcasting it until you get something in your life experience that matches it. Nothing wrong with that. We call it post-manifestational awareness. In other words, you're emanating a vibration all over the place. You've done it so long you don't even know you're doing it. It's just the way you feel. It's just what I think, you say. It's just the way I feel. You've picked up your worldview from your perspective of the world. In many cases, you picked up your worldview from television. Many of you are doing that now. You got it from your teachers, from your parents, from those close to you in your peer groups. You developed beliefs. And you were not frivolous in the development of belief. In other words, someone suggested something to you, and as they suggested it to you, you observed the conversation, you considered it, and as you considered it, you began offering a vibration about it. And as you began offering a vibration about it, before long, that vibration that you were offering about what you were considering became your point of attraction, and then you proved to yourself your own belief. It's the way it works. Your beliefs are proven to you by the cooperative law of attraction. As you are understanding that law of attraction is responding to your vibration at all times, as you understand that the vibration that you are offering is the reason that things are coming to you, then you come to understand that you are the creator of your beliefs, just like you are the creator of your reality. Sometimes people will say to us, well, it's true, that's why I'm giving my attention to it. This isn't a frivolous belief, Abraham. This is a factual belief. This is a belief that is based upon evidence. And so, isn't it incumbent upon me to give my attention to this factual belief or to this evidential experience? And we say, we would not let that be our criteria of that which we gave our attention to, because there are many things that are true that you want to experience, and there are many things that are true that you don't want to experience. And if you give your attention to something that is true, that you do not want to experience, and you do it long enough, in time you will experience it. And then you will be among those who then pronounce, you see, I was right, this is a fact. And then sometimes, relative to those facts that you don't want to experience, you garner a resistant stance. You say no to the things that you don't want to experience. But in doing that, you still experience them all the more. In other words, this universe that is based upon law of attraction is inclusion-based, which means what you give your attention to, you include in your vibration, and once you do that, law of attraction is going to help you to manifest it in your experience. So when you see something that you want and you say yes to it, you include it in your vibration, it becomes your point of attraction, eventually it manifests. When you see something you don't want and you shout no at it, you include it in your vibration, and eventually it manifests. So what it comes down to is the way you perceive life becomes your vibrational offering, and your vibrational offering becomes the way you perceive life. It is a cycle. I think it, therefore it is. I think it, I offer a vibration of it. Law of attraction matches me up with the things that match my vibration, and therefore it is. I am, you are, we're speaking from your vantage point, the creator of your own reality, and the way you create is through your vibration.